Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner to open more settings. And as you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer, so we've got off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose for example 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option which you'd like to use. As you can see, inside the shutter button we'll have the notification that we've got the timer set. So now all you have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, and if you wish to turn off the timer, simply go to the three bars icon again and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any kind of countdown. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.